Hey y'all, I've gotten several emails asking what equipment I use for my videos and if I think someone moving abroad should start a YouTube channel. Well, have you thought of starting a YouTube channel? Are you thinking of retiring and looking for ways to create a little income? Actually, it doesn't matter what age you are, whether you're planning to retire or getting ready to go to college. The answer is yes. So if you were looking for a yes/no answer to the question, you can go ahead and click on that video right there and watch something different. If you're interested in learning about the how and the why, then stay tuned. Well, as you can see, down at the beach today, it's Sunday, so I think it's Sunday. Might as well come to the beach. It's a little overcast. It's a little more busy because it's the weekend, and a lot of weekenders come down from Bangkok here. They came down to the far end of the beach in front of Del Mar condo because the tide's in. So the other end of the beach where the chairs and the things are, not so much beach to walk on, but easy to walk down here. I had considered getting in the water, but with the looks of this jellyfish, I think I'll just walk along the edge. So start a channel, start it now. Hey, why not? It's free, right? You aren't out anything if you never use it or if it doesn't take off. But I guarantee you 100% that if you don't start one, you'll never make anything from one. Let's talk about everybody's big hang up. What will I show? Do you have a hobby? Do you know something you want to tell people about? Do something special? Whatever it is, you can make a channel about it. We've all got lives. We all live somewhere. We all do something. Video it. Talk about it. When I started this channel, I was watching a lot of videos about moving abroad, retiring abroad. And one of the things that I discovered was that the vast majority of the videos being put out were from people who were already here or already there, wherever they were. It wasn't anybody actually planning to do it. And at the time, I had a 2-year plan before I was going to move after I retired. So there you go. There's your niche if you're looking for something to talk about. If you're in retirement planning mode and you want to retire abroad, talk about it. What are you doing to get ready? How are you investing? How are you getting rid of stuff? Everything that you're going through in your day-to-day life as you prepare for the big move is great content, and nobody else is putting it out. Feel free to use that niche. I didn't get to because my 2-year plan turned to an 8-month plan, and here I am. A lot of people think about starting a channel and they're doing it for the financial benefits, but there are several reasons other than financial reasons why you might want to start a channel. It's a good way to learn photography and videography. Learning new skills and taking advantage of existing skills or improving on them is great for the mind and the spirit. And those skills can also be used to generate passive income for you from selling stock photos or stock videos if you get into that. And you're going to make all those while you're making YouTube videos. So why not try and make money more than one way from them? One big hesitation people have when moving abroad is missing home, missing people that they spend time with, their family, their friends, and how are we going to stay in touch? Well, start a YouTube channel. Make videos of what you do every day. Make videos of walking along your beach in the town where you move or the mountains where you move, and let your family watch them. It's a great way for them to see you, see how you're doing, see where you're living. Even if you don't get many followers, the people at home will still be able to stay in touch with you. And they can comment and interact with you about your daily activities. One of the other non-financial benefits is making friends in new places. Yep, people are going to recognize you and you'll make new friends. You meet new people while you're making videos too. People will walk up to you, they'll recognize you on the street, say hello, ask you what you're doing. It's a great way to just strike up a conversation. Setting up a social network and having friends and just people to talk to is really important no matter where you are. But even more so if you're moving abroad and leaving everyone you know and everything you know thousands of miles away. Y'all have seen Wayne on this channel several times making real estate videos. Well, I met Wayne on my second day in Thailand. He recognized me on the street and stopped to talk. And I needed that. My second day in Thailand, I was having a bad dang day. Having some problems with connectivity and worrying about financial transfers and just worrying too much for second day stuff. To be sitting on the curb and hear, Michael, in a new country where I knew no one, was really refreshing. You'll see more of Wayne when he gets back in country. He's in Canada right now, but he'll be back soon. I've met several subscribers to the channel when they come to visit or they come to make the big move. It's a great way to connect with folks. I like helping y'all out. That is the reason why I make these videos. Gives me something to do, and maybe you'll find it useful. So if you're in town, feel free to say hello. You know, another benefit of having a channel is it's going to keep you busy, coming up with ideas, having consistent posting schedules, and exploring new places that you can show folks. It's going to make you do new things. And if where you are or what you're doing is interesting to you, there's a good chance it's interesting to someone else too. You know, you can make YouTube your life or you can make it your hobby. For me, it's just a hobby, but it's up to you. My plan for YouTube has always been a hobby, and that is not going to change. I wanted to retire. I didn't want another job. I don't want another job. I enjoy making the videos and helping folks like you plan for retirement and see new places. I like interacting with the comments, well, most of them anyway. Deleting them is not so much fun. Some of you need a new hobby because right now all you do is watch videos to have something else to complain about. That's not good content there. Don't make that your niche. I've been lucky enough to build a small base of followers, and now YouTube pays me a little bit every month from ad revenue. It's a great feeling to see the channel grow and know that I'm providing something of value to people around the world. Most importantly, it's fun for me. If it ever stops being fun, I'm gonna stop doing it. So whether you want to be a digital nomad or influencer and make a living from it, you know, many people do. It's gonna take some skills and dedication. It will be your job after all, if that's what you want it to be. And many people do it. A lot of people quit 9-to-5 jobs because they become full-time YouTubers. Yeah, many people fail or they give up because they don't put any effort into it. They don't put any effort into learning the skills of photography and editing and creating thumbnails. You got to put some effort into it if you want to do it for more than just showing friends at home, right? But it doesn't take much. And to get monetized, the requirements are fairly straightforward and pretty easy to hit if you put the effort in. Let's talk about equipment now. You've got a camera, even if it's just your phone. Heck, they make feature films using iPhones now, so they're definitely good enough for YouTube videos. Don't be afraid of editing. I use CapCut to edit. It's super intuitive, it's very user-friendly, and there's going to be a link down in the description if you'd like to check CapCut out. It's got a lot of great features that I like. I switched from another editing software to use them because I just found it to be much more useful and much easier to use. And on top of that, it's not expensive. You can use the free version, but if you really want to make a go of YouTube, like I said, it's not expensive. Go ahead and upgrade to the Pro plan and get all those features because they make the videos a lot nicer. But definitely start with the free version until you decide if it's something you want to keep up or whether or not you even like it. So how much money can I make? Well, that's up to you, like almost everything, right? It requires time and effort. If you put in the time to create the content and post regularly, there's a good chance at some point you'll meet the monetization requirements. Like I said, they're pretty straightforward. I think it's like 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to start generating ad revenue. There's a level lower than that where you can make money other ways, but not from commercials. And even if you never hit those monetization levels because you don't get enough subscribers or don't get enough watch hours, that doesn't mean that you can't make money other ways from your channel. You know, affiliate links or referral links can create a revenue stream for you too. Now, of course, it stands to reason that the more viewers you have, the more clicks you're going to get on your links. So it's still a numbers game, but you can still have affiliate links without meeting YouTube requirements for ad revenue. Sorry about the motorcycles. Hopefully the denoise in CapCut takes care of that. So affiliate links. Some of the companies have requirements, minimum requirements for channel size or other things before you can join their programs. Others do not. Amazon has a great program, and because a lot of you have asked about my equipment and things, I finally got around to signing up for the Amazon affiliate program. I was waiting until the subscriber base was big enough to kind of support it, because it's one of those where if you're not getting clicks, then they're going to kick you out of the program. So there are links in the description that will take you to the equipment I use, like the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that I'm filming this on right now. The other nice thing about Amazon is if you click on the link and you go look at the Osmo Pocket and you decide you don't want to buy it, but within the next couple days you go back to Amazon and you decide you need a new pair of shorts or shoes or toilet paper or whatever, clicking that link is going to set a cookie, and even if you buy toilet paper, I'll get a small commission. So there's a little tip for you. If you subscribe to a channel and you want to help support that channel and they've got affiliate links, click on them once in a while. Click on an Amazon link and then go do your regular Amazon shopping. It's going to generate commission for your favorite YouTuber. If that's me, that's great. If it's somebody else, hey, that's fine too. So yeah, you should start a channel. Maybe you've already planned it, or maybe you need to sit down and outline your concept to get going. But get going. You got nothing to lose. If you've got questions about getting started, post them in the comments, because chances are if you've got that question, somebody else watching has that question too, and we can answer it for everybody all in one shot. Let's help each other out, learn from each other, and when you start your channel, come back to this video, post the channel, or if you've got a channel now, post the name of your channel in the comments so we can help each other and we can subscribe to each other's channels. That way we can all grow together, help each other meet those requirements, and generate some revenue. I hope it's been helpful. Let me know also in the comments if you want to see more details on how to create thumbnails, how to do some basic editing. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more of this, how do I start a YouTube content, and I'll see you in the next one.